Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz and I'm back. Today I will be doing a review from no other than Xrsbeauty, and they were kind enough to send me out a unit to share with you all, and we are going to get into it. The unit is right here in the plastic. It came in this little net. I took it out to look at it. They also sent me some lashes, a wig cap, some clips, which is always good to have, and an elastic band. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So let me show you what I have. I have a curly bow, which is 14 inches. It's highlighted, it's a mixed color, and it's a T-part lace. So as you can see, I have my little ponytail going on with my little headbands. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to, my hair is already slicked back, so I can put this on. But let's look at the unit first. Let me take it out, the plastic. Okay, so it's a pretty colored highlighted wig, which is cute. And this is how the scalp, let me move this paper out, y'all. Okay, this is cute. So this is the lace, and I like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let me see. Okay, so let me show y'all how the cap is made. Doesn't have a smell or anything, which is cool. I can put it on my head. We have the combs, one in the back, and two on the side, like so. So you have a total of 4 combs, and you have one in the middle. You have like an adjustable strap. This is always good because you can adjust it according to your head and how big or small your head is. Okay, so that feels good. I like the length. I love the curls. They look really cute. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put my cap on. This is always fun. And it comes with, let's see, 1 cap, 2 caps, yeah. So I'm going to put this cap on my head like so. And usually I would do the ball cap method. But for this unit, I don't think I need to do all of that. So I'm just going to make sure it's laid down really good. Yeah, I'm going to put it to about right there. I'm going to keep these out, and you'll see the method to my madness. What I'm going to do, I'm uploading a video right now, y'all. I'm going to take some bronzer, Hoola bronzer, and that middle part, I don't know if I'm going to do a middle part. You know what? Before I do all of that, let's try this unit on before I get to trying to cover up the parting. Okay, so let's put it on. Okay, this unit feels so comfortable and nice and snug on my head. The middle part, I don't know, let's see. Oh, I love this unit. It's so pretty and soft. Yes, it's been a long time since I had a unit that had some color to it. This is giving me all the way together. I'm gonna add bronzer like so. Yeah, I don't think I want to do this cap. I'm gonna do a black cap. Okay, so I put a black cap underneath, and I took some of this Hoola and I just put it on the parting space. Put that back in there. And yeah, so okay, so yeah, I like the way it's fitting. Make sure I fit it. Put the combs in the back. And I like the way it's fitting on the sides. Yeah, that fits great. And although my sides are showing, I don't mind it, like the baby hairs and all that good stuff, because yeah, I might have them out. but I'm liking the unit. I really do. So let's use these clips, and it's so warm in this house. He must have the heat on high. So I'm going to cut the lace. Okay, you guys, so I am back, and this here is the unit that I really like. Now this is a unit that I would keep and rock all the time. You see how quick, just transformation, something big, something nice. Oh my gosh, I am in love with this unit. This is from Xrsbeautyhair.com. This is the ombre color bob highlight mix color 13x4 lace front pre-plucked hairline wigs. This is so pretty. Let me show you guys the picture. This is the picture of the unit, and I love it, you guys. Now the model, as you can see, is exactly like what I got in person. You know, you get some wigs, they'll use a picture of maybe a YouTuber that didn't have any affiliation with their wigs, but this one right here is definitely the unit, and it's, first of all, let's talk about the color. The color is gorgeous, you guys. I am in love with the color. The bob I love because, you know, I might cut it a little bit, you know, just to shape it a little bit more to my head, but I am in love with this. I can't wait to wear this to work, honey. I'm gonna wear this to work so I don't have to worry about my hair. But yeah, I am gonna probably cut it just a little bit, but I'm in love with it. And this is, let's see, this is the 13 by 4 lace front wig. Like I said, the density I believe is it feels like more than 150. It's just so thick. It's constructed, the wig is constructed really nice. Okay, and I got the 14-inch if I'm not mistaken. Let me make sure I don't want to lead you on. Yep, 14-inch. This is the T-part lace, so you can only part it in the front, which is really cute, you guys. And this is the 100% human virgin hair. Yes, it can be dyed, but you might not want to dye it unless you want to go lighter. But this is so pretty, and I like it because it goes with my skin tone. I can't help but keep my hand. I can't help but to keep my hands out of my head, y'all. This is a glueless cap. And one thing I can say about this, I really didn't have to use any got-to-be spray or any glue. You can just put it right on, and it's adjustable straps. Like I said, the circumference, I just told her that I wanted a large cap size just so that it can just fit right, because I wear like a ponytail underneath. To be honest with you, I don't really braid my hair like I used to. Yeah, shipping was super fast and I love it. It's beautiful. This is so me. Yes, I am in love with it. I want to really cut it a little bit, but I ain't no professional, but I want to kind of like cut it just a little bit. I'm gonna cut it a little bit. Let me see. Don't tell nobody. Yeah, cut it just a little bit, you know, give it a little. Yeah, I'm gonna keep the front, but I just wanted to cut that part. It's bothering me. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, guys, I love it. This is so pretty. Let me show y'all the back. Let me show you guys the back. This is the back of the unit. Yes, that's the back of the unit. And I'll probably do a little bit more cutting. Let's see. So I'll be so blunt. Okay. Yeah, guys, I am really loving it. And then let me tell y'all, the lace is like non-existent. You can't even see it. It's really cute. So this is the unit that I really do like from Xrsbeauty. I thank them for reaching out to me and wanted to collab and do this here review. I'm so glad that somebody sent me some color, you know, because I can't just do black wigs all the time. You know, I know you guys wanted to see color, and here it is, you guys. So yeah, so where's my comb at? What I do with it? So yeah, I'm going to play with it a little bit more, tease it. I want it to be kind of like not too blunt on the ends. I'm gonna tease it just a little bit. This is so me. I love it. Yep. Yes, girls. Okay, let me get my hands on my head. But I just wanted to thank Xrsbeauty for reaching out to me, wanting to collab and do this here review. I love this wig. It is so pretty and it's soft. Did I tell y'all it's soft? It's soft, it's full, and it is so... Oh, and wait till the summertime when you can wet it, you guys, and have that little wet look. Yes. But you can't part it any other way, like so. But I'm sure you can probably rock it, you know, probably. Well, no, you can't. No. Yes, so I like it, and I like the middle part. It's cute. So with that being said, I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye, y'all. Love y'all.